Hey guys, we're here with the originators in countertop support, the original Granite Bracket. Today's tutorial is one of the favorites, one of the classics. It's the knee wall support brace. This brace right here is going to do what you need to do. Whether you got a knee wall or maybe you call it a pony wall, it is going to be able to hold what you need it to hold in your place. Now, a few things you're going to want to grab is a fiend saw or a Dremel or a tool like that, and go ahead and grab yourself a level and a drill. What we're going to start with is notching out our countertop right here. We want to go 2.5 wide, 1/2 inch deep. That way the brace is going to sit perfectly in there and it's going to be completely flush for your countertop to go over it. So let's grab those tools and let's get started. So go ahead and take the time and mark it out before you cut it out. It's going to save you a lot of heartache. Take a few extra minutes, go and get the level out, make sure everything's ready to go so it's easy to cut out. Now let's go ahead and cut it out. Now remember, 2.5 by 1/2 inch deep, 2.5 wide by 1/2 inch deep. Let's grab our tools and let's get to work. Just like that, it's ready to go. It's flush, we're gonna check it. Oh yeah, it fits perfect. I'm gonna put it right back to the 2x4 right there. It's good there. I've got it going across there. When I'm about to drill it, I'm gonna make sure it's gonna be level this way as well. Let's grab the drill, let's finish this up. Simple as that. Remember, take the time, level it, mark it out, cut it, all of that good stuff. Now, a few things to remember is when you're starting to put any braces in on the corner, start 3 to 6 inches from the corner, and then you're going to want to space it out 16 to 20 inches down your wall, or in this case, down our knee wall or pony wall, whatever you want to call it. That today is going to conclude our tutorial on our knee brace. It is what you need to take your project to the next level. Finally, with the originators in countertop support, the original Granite Bracket, go ahead and join the thousands of people literally around the world that have put this brace in their kitchen, on their job site, in their office. Thanks for watching. Hopefully it helps. Talk to you soon.